Hello friends, I am Sagnik. Welcome to Curly Brushes. So friends, today I will draw a mask. You can also draw this mask very easily. So let's start. At first, I will take a page of 960 and 560 points. These are the colors which I will use for the drawing. So let's start our drawing. At first, I will select the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. For that, I will right click over here and get the rectangle tool. Then I will draw a rectangle. I will give it this blue color. I will round the corners of the rectangle a little. Then I will right click over here and get the ellipse tool. I got the ellipse tool because of drawing an oval. So I will draw the oval over here. Then what I will do, I will get some more anchors over the top part and the side parts. For that, I will take the direct selection tool, select the rectangle and then get the pen tool over here. Then I will get an anchor at the top part at the middle. I will also get an anchor over the side part at the middle and one more anchor at this side at the middle. Then with the direct selection tool, I will drag it to the left and this anchor to the right. I will drag this anchor to the top. Then what I will do, I will select this whole part, get the shape builder tool from here and then get a cross over here. This cross will make the shape to a single shape. Then I will select this, go to edit and then click on copy option. I will again go to edit and click on the paste in front option. We will get a new copy of that mask structure. Pressing Alt on the keyboard, I will drag the new copy of that mask structure. Then I will click on the older mask structure and give it this light blue color. Then with the direct selection tool, I will select the bottom part of this outline. Then pressing the down arrow key, I will drag it down. Now I will start the stitching of that mask. For that, I will be using the pen tool. I will use the pen tool. From here, I will draw a line over here. Now, I will select this, go to Windows and then from here stroke. I will swap this color, this fill color to stroke. Then I will make it dashed line. I will give it 4 pt and here 3 pt. I will also increase the width of the line to 2 pt. Now I will change the color of this line so that you can see it. So now I will get the eyedropper tool and select this color. Sorry. Then I will again get the pen tool and draw here another line. I will select it again and increase its width. You can see right now we have another stitched line. Then I will draw the down stitching. For that I will again grab out the pen tool and draw here. Now I will complete the left part of the stitching. So friends, we are completed with the stitching. So now I will add some shadows and highlights of the mask. So let's start. For the shadows and highlights, I will again use the pen tool. I will select the pen tool from here. Draw a curvy line. I will give this curvy line this color. I will click on this and get a new copy of that curvy line by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Then I will right click over it, go to transform and then reflect and press OK. Now you can see another shadow curvy line. Now I will select this out, press Ctrl and Alt and drag a new copy of that curvy line. Now what I will do I will change its color. For that what I will do, I will select it, press Shift, Ctrl and F10 for the transparency. So I will click on this normal and then make it multiply and give it 24%. Then I will select this and place it over here. Then I will again create a new copy of that shadow. I will rotate it, place it over here. Then with the pen tool, I will again draw another shadow. Now I will click it one more and then increase its weight. Now what I will do, I will select this and make it just like this. Now I will get a new copy of this shadow and then I will do the same thing. I will press Shift, Ctrl and F10 for the transparency panel. Click on normal and make it multiply and decrease its opacity to 24%. And then I will place it over here. I will also make the third shadow in this process. So friends, we are completed with the shadows and highlights of the marks. So let's create the threads of the mask. For that, I will take the ellipse tool, draw a simple oval over here. I will increase its weight and then right click over it, go to arrange and send it to back. Now what I will do is very simple. I will take the direct selection tool, select this and then get the pen tool. I will get a new anchor over here and with the direct selection tool I will skew from this anchor. Now I will again select it, press Ctrl C and then F. Now I will right click over it, go to transform and then reflect, and then I will click on copy. Then I will get the new copy of the wire. Sorry. Now I will place it over here. Now we are completed with the mask. So now what I will do, I will select this all and then increase its size. Now I will select again the whole and then make it as a group. Then I will drag it here. Now I will remove these colors and then get the rectangle tool and draw simply a rectangle of this full page. I will give it a dark blue color and then I will select it, right click over it, arrange and send it to back. Now you can see a beautiful mask has been created. So friends, if you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So friends, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.